the EMT had said that Greg died of a head wound.
It was the first ever trial to be aired live on television, gavel to gavel, reality TV, before anyone had even heard of such a term. The trial of Pam Smart captivated the state and the nation. In March of 1991, Smart, a media services director at Winnicott High School, was found guilty of conspiracy to commit murder and accomplice to first-degree murder in the death of her husband Greg, who was found shot to death in the couple's Derry condo on May 1st, 1990. Pam Smart was accused of orchestrating her husband's murder and recruiting 16-year-old Billy Flynn, a student she admitted to having an affair with, and 3 other teens to kill her husband.
I said, God forgive me.
At just 22 years old, Smart was sentenced to life without the possibility of parole. She's serving her time at Bedford Hills Correctional Facility, New York's only maximum security prison for women. Over the years, Smart has made several attempts to reduce her life sentence. In March of last year, she made a 3rd appeal to the governor and executive council to hear her petition for commutation. She even wrote them a letter apologizing and saying it took her decades to accept responsibility for what happened. While she does not admit to plotting the murder, Smart has said her affair with Flynn led to her husband's death. The council unanimously denied her request. Now, Smart's attorney is asking the New Hampshire Supreme Court to weigh in, claiming that the Executive Council's refusal to even consider her petition violates the state constitution. Her team is asking the state's highest court to order the governor and Executive Council to reconsider and to hear her petition for commutation.
Well, we're hopeful that it will result in Pamela Smart finally getting a real hearing before the Executive Council and the governor.
Eleanor Pam is a spokesperson for Pam Smart. In a telephone interview with News 9 from her home in Florida, Eleanor says Smart has not been given a fair chance by the council.
They took 3 minutes in the last Executive Council meeting to determine that she didn't deserve a hearing. So that's not a hearing. And you put 3 minutes up against 32 years of her life, it just seems that Pam Smart is the only person in New Hampshire that hasn't gotten due process.
Eleanor talks to Smart frequently and says at age 55 she is a changed woman, spending her decades behind bars, obtaining a doctorate, and becoming an ordained minister.
She certainly deserves to have more than 3 minutes and to be dismissed and sent off without regard for her actual record. It's appalling. It's shameful. It's abominable.
Smart's attorney denied our request for an interview, but says they look forward to tomorrow's hearing. The Attorney General's office says it refrains from any comment beyond its arguments filed with the court. In those documents, the state says Smart's request should be denied, writing, because the clemency power is an executive branch power and there's no constitutionally mandated procedure dictating how governor and council must exercise that power. Flynn and the 3 other teens convicted in this case have all served time and been released. Pam Smart is now the longest-serving inmate at the Bedford Hills Correctional Facility. In a previous interview with News 9, she told us she will never stop fighting for her own release.
I think forgiveness is a good thing, but why is there no forgiveness for me? Why is there no mercy?
Now, the Supreme Court is scheduled to take up Smart's request at 9:30 tomorrow morning. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.